Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well and I'm also doing well. I'm Rubia and welcome back to my channel English with Ruby. Today is the day 4 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. Yes, I have already reached day 4 and this is a big achievement for me. Yeah, I know there is a lot of way to go, but still I'm so happy that I'm consistent with my promise. So today I have selected a topic that is my favorite movie. Okay, so first of all, before dive into this video, I want to tell you something that I don't watch movies usually. I don't watch movies a lot because it takes a lot of time. We all know movies are usually for 2.5 hours or 3 hours. So I don't watch movies a lot, but I watch movies once in a blue moon. It means that I watch movies very rarely, and whenever I watch movies I try to watch those type of movies from which I can learn something. Okay, so now without wasting any more time, let's start today's video. And yeah, my favorite movie is 12th Fail. You might have heard this name because this is a very popular movie in India. So yeah, this movie is my most favorite movie which I have seen before, or almost 7-8 months before. Yes, so this movie is my most favorite. So there are a few reasons behind it, so I will tell you. Okay, so first of all, the main reason why I like this movie, because this movie is based on a real life incident. So this is why this movie is my most favorite. Now I will tell you the character's name. Okay, if you have watched this movie, you know very well. So the main character of this movie is whose name is Manoj Kumar Sharma, and he was a very poor boy from a very poor family, and also he was not a good student. So I like this character very much because this character inspired me a lot, and this movie is very inspirational, and if you watch this movie you can learn so many things. Okay, so whatever I have learned from this movie, I am going to tell you. First one, this movie is very inspirational. If you watch this movie, you can feel so many motivations and inspirations by yourself. So watching this movie will be a very good decision. If you haven't watched this movie, you can watch this movie. Okay. And have you already watched this movie? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, this was my favorite character, and also the heroine named Shraddha. She was also a very good character because she always stayed beside Manoj. And yeah, this movie is also emotional. You can watch this movie. I will highly recommend you to watch this movie. And there is a scene which I like the most, like when at the time Manoj wanted to know from a DSP officer how he can become a DSP officer or like him, then the officer said, you must leave the cheating in the examinations, because if you have watched this movie, you know that in the movie, in the school where Manoj studied, in that school every student were allowed to cheat in the examinations, and it was very normal for them. So Manoj also did the same, and in 1 year there came a DSP officer and he caught everyone red-handed, and he stopped the exam and everyone failed. And from the next year Manoj decided that he will not cheat. The marks he will gain by himself, that will be satisfied. So Manoj did the same, and After that, when Manoj wanted to make his career, but he had not any idea about what is UPSC or what is IAS IPS. So Manoj came to know, and Manoj wanted to become DSP. This is why he went to Delhi with one of his friends, and there he worked really hard. Like, he worked really hard. He worked day and night. He worked in a he used to clean toilets of people. He used to work in a library, and at the same time he studied very hard. And at the end, after like in the last attempt, he became the IPS officer. And he went to visit that DSP, and like the DSP was shocked to see him, and he even did not recognize him. And when he told him that I'm the very boy whom you told you that you have to leave cheating, and he also told that I have left cheating. So when they hugged, the scene was really emotional and inspirational. So from this movie I have learned so many things. Like, it is an inspirational movie. If you work really hard, you can achieve anything in your life, and you have to be consistent. You have to always look for your dreams, your goals, and you have to always chase things which matters the most. So yeah, that's all about the movie. If I talk more, the video will be longer, so I have to stop here. And it is my highly recommendation for you. If you haven't watched this movie yet, just go and watch the movie. You can find it maybe on YouTube. I have watched this movie. I had watched this movie from YouTube, maybe. I cannot recall right now. So whatever, you can watch this movie, okay? There are a lot of things to tell about this movie, but it is not possible within one video, so I must need to stop here. Okay, so if you have learned something from my video today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment and share my video. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'm always here to help you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and see you on day 5. Till then, bye.